Bonobos, the peaceful grey apes. Did you know that bonobos are one of our closest living relatives? Bonobos are great apes found in the Democratic Republic of Congo, in the forests south of the Congo River. Along with chimpanzees, they are our closest living relatives, sharing roughly 98 to 99% of their DNA with humans. Bonobos are sometimes called the peaceful apes because their society tends to be less aggressive than those of chimpanzees. They are highly social animals and spend a lot of time grooming, playing, communicating and caring for one another. One of the most interesting things about a bonobo society is that it's largely female-led. Females often form strong bonds with each other, and these relationships can influence the group's social structure. Unlike many other mammals, bonobos' mothers also have an important role in helping their sons establish social relationships. Bonobos are omnivores, but most of their diet consists of fruit and other plant foods. They can also eat leaves, seeds, flowers, insects, and occasionally small animals. Bonobos are excellent climbers and spend plenty of time in the trees, but they also travel on the ground. They have long arms, opposable thumbs, and flexible hands that help them move through the forest and handle food. Communication is another fascinating part of the bonobo life. They use a wide variety of calls, facial expressions, gestures, and body movements to communicate with one another. Scientists have even observed bonobos using gestures to request things from other members of their group. Bonobos are also known for their intelligence. They can learn, remember, solve problems, and use tools in some situations, and understand complex social relationships. Their intelligence gives scientists valuable insight into the evolution of social behavior in both apes and humans. Unfortunately, bonobos are endangered. Their biggest threats include habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal wildlife trade. Because bonobos live only in the Democratic Republic of Congo, protecting their remaining forest habitat is extremely important for their survival. Today, conservation organizations and local communities are working to protect bonobos and the forests they depend on. So the next time you hear about our closest animal relatives, remember the bonobo. An intelligent, social, and fascinating great ape that has much to teach us about cooperation, communication, and our own history in evolution. And perhaps the most important fact of all, bonobos aren't just interesting animals. Protecting them also means protecting one of the world's most unique forest ecosystems. I hope you've learned a little about the bonobo ape, and I hope you've enjoyed this time lapse that goes alongside that. I'll let you go now, but thank you for listening, thank you for watching, take care and keep drawing.